Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Are you a fan of confidence? Are you? Or you're not a fan of confidence? Alam mo ba kung gaano kalaki ang impact ng confidence sa isang relationship? If you are a man or you are a woman and you have this amount of confidence to the point na talagang yung confidence mo, it's just pure confidence. Because we have two types of confidence. The first type of confidence is you walk like a king. Or ito yung tipong meron kang presence, you walk like a king or you walk like a queen. Na parang you know who you are, that you believe in yourself, whatever what will happen, it will happen. You just literally believe in your value. You just literally believe in who you are. It will work actually. The way you walk like a king or the way you walk like a queen. The way you think like a queen, the way you think like a king. Syempre, pang lalaki, babae yan. Pero ang simpleng point ko lang, that's how you think. You think like a king. You walk like a king. That's the first type of confidence. It simply means that you do believe in yourself na no matter what will happen, it will go through. Kahit anong mangyari, the process will be processed. You will achieve because you believe on who you are. You believe of who you are, and that's the most important things in this matter. Kaya, yun yung first type of confidence. Walk like a king or a queen. Okay? And the second type of confidence, ito yung pangalawang type ng confidence. You walk like you doesn't care who is the king. Or you walk like you doesn't care who is the queen. Does that make sense? It simply means na kapag you walk like you don't really care kung sino ang hari, that is also a confidence. It is the confidence that no matter what will happen, there's nothing na makukuha sa'yo at mawawala sa'yo. You always believe in yourself. Not to the point na kagaya dun sa first one that you believe is you are the king. Ito yung second part of confidence na whether you win it or you lose it, you just literally don't care. Kaya nga dun nanggagaling yung confidence mo eh. Di ba? Kapag doon nanggagaling yung confidence mo, you will be disattached in this reality. Parang wala kang pake. Alam mo yun, yung parang merong dumaan sa harapan nyo na motor. It doesn't matter to you or merong dumaan sa harapan nyo na kotse. Ganon siya ka-basic just to interpret it. It's like you just don't care at all. That is why saang confidence ba meron ka? Is it the first one na you walk like a king? Or the second one na you walk like you do not really care about who is the king or who is the queen? Kasi ang dalawang type na confidence na to is sobrang importante na kailangan meron ka in order for you to get your ex back. Kahit wala ng step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, basta meron ganito. Ngayon yung iba, pinipilit nila dun sa number 1. Eh hindi naman yun yung personality nila. Yung iba naman, pinipilit nila sa number 2. Eh hindi naman yun yung personality nila. Ngayon, bibigyan kita ng tips. Pumili ka. Tingin mo saan ka ba mas fitted? Doon sa tipong confident ka na naniniwala ka sa sarili mo dahil ito ang value mo, or confident ka na wala kang pake sa judgment ng iba dahil ito ang value mo. Isa ito sa dalawang bagay na kailangan mong i-apply during this breakup period. Ano ba ang importansya ng confidence? Alam nyo ba na ito ang pinakakape sa sangkap kapag iinom ka ng kape? Okay? Hindi pwedeng iinom ka ng kape, ang sangkap mo is gatas asukal lang. Hindi yun kape, gatas yun. Pero kapag naglagay ka na ng kape, ang tawag na dyan is kape. Kape na may halong gatas at asukal. Ang pinaka-importanting ingredients ng kape ay yung mismong kape. Same thing din sa breakup. Kapag nasa breakup or relationship ka at nakakaranas ka ng yan, yung nararanasan mo na yan, I will promise you, sa kaibuturan ng puso ko at sa kaibuturan ng teachings experience ko, eto ang pangako ko sa'yo. Kapag wala kang confidence, kahit i-apply mo lahat ng teachings ko, walang mag-work dyan kahit isa. Wala ka ni isa dun sa dalawang confidence eh. Puro ka psychological technique, psychological blah blah, psychological chu-chu, sabi sa ganitong video, sabi sa ganung video. Para kang by the book, masyado kang by laws, by rules. Kapag wala kang confidence, kapag hindi mo na-apply yung ganitong uri ng confidence, ikaw ang talo. Dahil kahit i-apply mo step 1, step 2, step 3 hanggang step 50, lahat ng videos ko panoorin mo, o videos pa ng mga kung sino-sinong dating coach or relationship coach, Amerikano, Kano, Negro, Pilipino, kahit Chinese pa yung mapanood mo, basta wala kang confidence, lahat ng ina-apply mo walang kwenta. Alam ko may mga first step, second step tayo. Sa ibang video natin pag-uusapan yan. Pero always remember, what is the most important part or how to get your ex back? Always remember the confidence plays this role in a very, very big way. Kaya kung meron ka nito, siya na mismo ang hahabol at iiyak sa'yo. Magtiwala ka lang. Kulang ka sa trust sa sarili mo eh. Saan ba sa dalawang to ang confidence mo? Is it you walk like a king? Or the second one, you walk like you don't really care who is the king or who is the queen? Apply din yan sa babae ah. You walk like a queen or you walk like you don't care who's the queen. Ilagay mo dyan sa comment section kung ano yung klase ng confidence na meron ka. Anyways, kapag may confidence ka na, ang kailangan mo is technique. At doon na ako papasok. Lahat ng advice dito sa YouTube is very general. I don't think na minsan applied sila sa'yo. So for one-on-one coaching, malalaman mo kung dapat mo pang ibalik ang ex mo o hindi na. So, give us a message sa Philippine Dating Coach. Let's have one-on-one talk na lang para mas magkaroon ka ng clarification. Thanks for watching.